Who are Ascend and what are you kind of here today to exhibit?
Ascend is a provider of a data pipeline automation platform. And really what we're here to help people do is build these intelligent data pipelines leaning on the power of automation. So you can get your team building more data pipelines that are faster, easier to maintain, and also help you reduce your cost and maintenance burn at the same time.
And not to be the 1,000th person today to ask you about AI, but how is it really empowering the area of data pipelines? And how are you kind of looking at the future, and how do you think that trend is really going to affect things moving forward?
I do think that AI, and generative AI in particular, is going to have a pretty profound impact on the space of data engineering and data pipelines. I think we're already starting to see it become an empowering technology for individuals as they work left, if you will, and we shift left on the skill set, enabling business analysts to do more analytics engineering and analytics engineers to do more data engineering. And so we see a lot of power with AI for that, and it's actually helping people transform their careers as they can harness this superpower. I think as we get further along, we're going to see that AI can help us better automate and optimize pipelines themselves and help pull engineer teams out of the muckery and out of the maintenance and really focus more on the data products and the value extracted from those systems.
Interesting, yeah. Are there any particular challenges that customers and attendees speaking to you guys at the event today have really been kind of highlighting?
Yeah, so we see a couple of really primary challenges. I think first, in seeing how big the whole conference is, a lot of vendors a lot of customers are just trying to make sense of this whole space. There's so many companies and there's so many technologies. And so one of the challenges that we see a lot, and we see this globally across our customer base, is this rationalization of an increasingly complex technology stack. And so one of the challenges we see a lot of chief data officers and chief technology officers really pushing on is, how do we harvest the value out of our data assets, but let's actually compress down the number of technologies and tools and really invest in a more unified set of capabilities, as that actually simplifies our world and helps us focus more on data. And so we're seeing this compaction of the number of vendors, the number of technologies, and we certainly see across our customer base a strong desire to have more holistic system in place. They can generate far more metadata, better connect the life cycle of data, and then use all that metadata as you connect that life cycle to better automate the entire system.
Yeah, that makes sense. And a final question for you today, Sean. Obviously, we're here at the lovely Ascend stall at Big Data London. How has the event really been for you, and why is this kind of event so important for the industry?
So we're really excited about this. We go to events all over the world, from APAC to US and North America, and of course across EMEA. We're really excited about this one because we see such awareness of the next generation of data investments, and I think it happens at really a pretty remarkable time in the industry. I think this is evidenced by how large the event itself has become. But for us, this is really critical as we continue to expand our customer base in EMEA and in the UK in particular, and really making sure that we can bring the most advanced layers of automation to this market.